Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I thought in today's video I'd do a little hot girl summer, what's it called? Transformation, just because I'm bored. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. Right now it has, I'll show you. Right now my hair, like the underside is blonde, and I'm just gonna get it all dyed dark brown, like my natural color. And I'm also getting my nails done right now, and next week I'm gonna get some like clip-in extensions because I want my hair a little bit longer. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my nails done right now, and we're just gonna do a little transformation, get ready to me type video. Okay, a little change of plans. I'm gonna have a hot girl summer transformation week. So every day I'm gonna do something to better myself. Tomorrow it'll be hair and nails. And today I'm just gonna do a little self-care day. I'm just gonna listen to music and drive and go to Starbucks because I haven't been in over a week and that's psychotic for me. So I'm really excited to get a little pink drink or something.
Pick a side, give me hands if I want to. Won't feel lucky for you, I don't want to. I'm obsessed with myself too.
Guys, I secured the Starbucks. That first sip feeling.
But look at her now, watch it go.
First Starbucks in a week. That's the start of my glow up transformation thing. Hey guys, so my neighbors are out swimming right now, so it's a little noisy outside, but I'm ready to go get my hair done. I'm so excited. I can't really tell, but this is my outfit. I just got this new Playboy tee from Pakistan. These jeans with these boots. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, I just got my morning Starbucks. Sorry, the AC is on. It's literally 90 degrees outside. I'm getting my hair done. So this is going bye-bye. So, I just got my hair done. I'm so happy with my hair. It's like shorter, but I just got a couple layers in the front. I'm so excited. I just got my nails done.
Like, I need water.
Yeah, well, you'll get water. I feel like a whole brand new bitch. It was such a nice day. Now we're gonna go get dinner. All three of us together, not fighting. This is a rare sight. Hi guys. So it's been a while because I was a little bit sick and I got tested negative for COVID. So thank God, but I'm feeling a lot better. So yesterday I did a bunch of work and I just finished a bunch of YouTube videos, went through like my emails and stuff and just had a little work day. And then today I'm going to get hair extensions, so that'll be really fun. And I took some pictures yesterday and I'm taking pictures today. Every day I just want to take pictures and like make my Instagram look good. Mother's a little stressed, to say the least.
I don't do traffic.
She doesn't do traffic, which is crazy because it's rush hour in LA. Like it's taking us like around town. Then
This is insane right now.
don't worry about it.
Late for our appointment.
5 minutes late is not late. So much. Okay, we'll let you know when we get there.
Got our fake
So we got our fake hair. Really exciting stuff. It's really hot out here. I was taking selfies in the back and a guy pulled up in his car and I just kept taking so we just got back and I did this completely wrong in my head. I literally put these on in the car without a mirror. It's like Tana Mojo or like Nicki Minaj or like Cardi B. This is how it sloppily looks. I put them in like all over. Is that a word? Mom, you can say secret message to the camera while I go to the bathroom and wash my hands, okay?
If you see Julia with long hair, it's not hers.
Same with her actually, and my hair is long. I'm just having it extra long with extensions. She has short hair, so. Did she say something good?
Sometimes you're a chatty Kathy.
Me? They're sharing. My mom and my dad are sharing.
Who's your boyfriend?
More for myself. Brian. I forgot about my imaginary boyfriend for like 6 months. Oh, right, he's here. You know, I think I really set this year off right when I kissed myself in a mirror. That was my New Year's kiss.
Wait, if you kiss a year, it's like a year of bad luck?
Shut
Is that
up.
what happened?
It's all my fault. Oh, you're so funny.
What the frick? Is that yours?
Happy birthday to you.
I got the 10 days of 50.
You're not.
I am 50.
Dad, are you dumb? You're not 50.
I'm 51.
Yeah.
You're 52.
No, I'm not. I'm 51.
I had a funny joke. I want to boost my fame, so I'm gonna do what Kim Kardashian did. Start a successful business line.
Don't touch me.
That is so weird.
You spent money for this? I'm working so you guys can add fake hair to your head.
I just heard there's not gonna be a Super Bowl. Hey guys, so you're in my windowsill thing, so if you can hear outside, that's what the if you can hear outside, that's why. Today has been a rough day to say the least. This week has been really nice to have a little self-care week. Wait, was that yesterday or the day before? I got like the extension. And then today I'm going to do a little skincare. I'm just gonna do a little face mask and then also teeth whitening strips, because lately my teeth have not been so white. I used to do these in like middle school and my teeth have been really white ever since. So I know that they work. I have this little brush. I'll show you guys. Doing face masks is literally so relaxing. Like, I love it. But I'm gonna do these like every night this week, or like every other night, because I have a few and you know, I want my teeth white again. Oh my god, I literally just remembered how painful these are. Like, I know the taste. Also, people drive on my street at literally 2 a.m. every night so loud, and I don't understand why. Also, I cannot talk while I had this in, so it's kind of really awkward to film a video. Okay, I'm vlogging my phone because my camera died, but I also just put on this Laneige, whatever how you say that, lip mask. I use this every night, but my lips are still chapped, so I don't understand. I got the white strips in. I'm watching YouTube, and I think tomorrow I'm gonna work out and then do the reveal of what I look like a week later. Even though I don't look different at all. Also, yesterday I did a hair mask. Not a hair mask, I just put coconut oil in my hair for like an hour. So now my hair's like really soft, and yeah, that's what I did yesterday. I don't think I recorded anything yesterday because I don't know, sometimes I just don't record. I'm always doing self-care. Self-care needs to be number one. This has been the best self-care week because I've been putting myself first. It's been nice. So if you guys noticed in my last video, I had the coldest water sitting next to me. Sorry, it might be backwards in this camera, or I'm just dumb. This is the cutest, most like sleek, perfect size water bottle, and it actually keeps your water cold. It's just the perfect size. It's nice and sleek and it's durable. They also have new colors coming out, so I'm super excited about that. But I love the black. I think it looks so nice. You guys can check out the link in the description for more information, and they're doing a giveaway actually, and they have a lot of different sizes, so you guys should definitely check it out. And also use my coupon code if you guys want to get yourself a nice coldest water bottle. I highly recommend. This is actually a good water bottle. I'm not just saying that because they're sponsoring this video, but I think that staying healthy and hydrated is the best kind of self-care there is. So this is a perfect sponsor for this video. So yeah, please go check it out. They have Instagram, everything. I'll leave it in links below. Okay, so I took the whitening strips out because they were really hurting my teeth, but I left them in for like the right amount of time. I'm gonna wash this off and then do some moisturizer. Yeah, I'm so tired. It's been a very emotionally draining day, but I'm excited for tomorrow because I'm gonna work out, and then maybe Friday will be my day that I get pretty. I mean, I'm pretty, but like really pretty. Also the teeth, I think like they're like a little whiter, but I need to like keep doing it and then it'll like last. Okay, I just finished washing my face and it's so like smooth and clear looking. Okay, so I put my retainer in because I want straight teeth, obviously. I'm mixing this vitamin E oil blend from Trader Joe's with my dual action moisturizer. And I just kind of put the excess on my hands. I'm gonna turn on my essential oil diffuser because I was sick. I think that's been helping. And I sleep with my room freezing cold. Maybe that's why I got sick, actually. I don't know what I'm saying. I need to go to bed. Good night. So, that was embarrassing to say the least. But that was my first time working out in a really long time. I got mad at myself. I was like, why am I going so slow? Or, oh, usually like my time's a lot faster and stuff. But I realized that the first time you go back into the gym, like after a long time not being in it, you're not gonna have your best time. You'll probably have like your worst time. Don't beat yourself up over it, because the more you run and the more you practice, like it's gonna get better. So yeah, I feel like really weak right now, which is like not a good feeling. I'm like sweating so much and I literally didn't do anything basically. So yeah, oh my god, I feel so disgusting. Okay, now I have a bunch of floor workouts and like squats and stuff that I really do not want to do at all. Ah! Alright, thank God I'm done with my workouts outside. Okay, so now I'm done with my workouts and I'm gonna go outside and tan for a little bit because I'm looking a little pale. And then I think that's it for today's self-care activities. This is my swimsuit. You guys can go. I just posted a picture in it, so you guys can go check that out. I look actually disgusting. I'll look cute tomorrow, I swear. So this video is all about like self-love and hot girl summer, glow up, whatever, but it's like this is literally the worst year, and like everybody agrees, obviously, like everything is horrible. Oh my god, like how much more of this year can we take? And like obviously things can be worse, and I'm grateful for things, but like damn, like sometimes just need like cry. Just don't pretend that everything's good when like everything's not. So if you're watching this thinking like, oh wow, how's she having such a good week? Don't worry, there have been multiple emotional breakdowns during this process. And also, this isn't like 1 week or a couple days. This video has been filmed across the span of like 2 weeks. So I literally just don't know what I'm doing with my life. I don't want to talk about it actually, but see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm having a rough time in my life. I hate everyone, and everyone's fake, annoying, and rude. This clip right here really goes to show you how moody I am, because I have no idea what I'm talking about, or who I'm talking about in this. Like, absolutely just no clue. Okay guys, so I'm all ready for absolutely nothing. This is just my outfit. I wear this like top and these jeans all the time with my favorite boots, and I feel cute. I feel cute, okay? I just have been going through it, you know? So it's nice to just be dressed up, even if I'm not really going anywhere. Have my extensions in, I have fake lashes in. I just feel good. Don't mind the clothes on my floor, but this is just my little outfit. Feeling good. So yeah. These are what the extensions look like. I mean, I have long hair, but it's just extra long. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this get ready with me glow up hot girl summer transformation. I do feel like a hot girl in the summer right now. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and know that you're a bad bitch. And you don't need all this stuff like hair extensions and fake eyelashes and whatever and nails to make you feel confident, but I think it just helps me a lot to like just know that I can put in more effort to how I look, and then I can feel better about myself. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Do you have a boyfriend? Do you not?
I don't know.